Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something very interesting. What if I tell you that you can start speaking English without learning all grammar rules first? Yes, you heard that right. Many people spend years studying grammar books, learning tenses, memorizing rules, and solving exercises, but still they cannot speak English confidently. Why does this happen? Because speaking English and studying grammar are two different things. Think about children. How do children learn a language? Do they study grammar first? No. They listen, repeat, and slowly start speaking naturally. That is exactly how you should learn spoken English too. Now listen carefully. I am not saying grammar is useless. Grammar is important, but grammar should not stop you from speaking. Many beginners are afraid to speak because they think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? And because of this fear, they never practice speaking. But the truth is simple. If your message is clear, people will understand you even with small grammar mistakes. For example, imagine someone says, I go market yesterday. The grammar is not perfect, but you still understand the meaning. Communication is more important than perfection. Now let me show you the wrong way and the smart way to learn English. The wrong way is this: memorizing grammar rules every day, but never speaking. The smart way is learning simple sentences and using them daily. For example, instead of studying difficult grammar rules for hours, learn useful daily sentences like, how are you? What are you doing? I am feeling tired. I need some help. Can you repeat that? These simple sentences are used in real-life conversations. And when you repeat them daily, your speaking automatically improves. Now here is another important point. Most fluent English speakers do not think about grammar while speaking. When they speak, words come naturally. Why? Because they practiced speaking again and again. Fluency comes from practice, not from overthinking grammar. So if you want to speak English confidently, stop trying to make every sentence perfect. Just start speaking. Even if your English is broken in the beginning, keep going. Broken English is better than silent English. Now let me share a powerful method with you. The method is called listen and repeat. Choose any short English video. Listen to one sentence carefully and repeat it exactly like the speaker. Copy the pronunciation, speed, and accent. For example, if the speaker says, today is a beautiful day, you repeat, today is a beautiful day. This method trains your mouth and brain together. And slowly, your English starts sounding more natural. Another powerful tip is to think in English. Most people first think in their own language and then translate into English. That habit makes speaking slow. Instead, start thinking directly in English. For example, I am hungry. I need to sleep. I have to complete my work. These small thoughts help your brain become faster in English. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence is one of the biggest secrets of fluent speaking. Some people know little English but speak confidently. And other people know a lot of grammar but feel shy while speaking. Who sounds better? Of course, the confident speaker. So do not wait for perfect grammar before speaking English. Start speaking today with the English you already know. Practice in front of a mirror. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Use English in your daily routine. And most importantly, do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every fluent speaker made mistakes in the beginning. The only difference is that they kept practicing. Remember this. You do not learn swimming by reading books. You learn by entering the water. In the same way, you do not become fluent in English only by studying grammar. You become fluent by speaking regularly. So from today, focus less on grammar fear and focus more on speaking practice. Speak simple English. Speak daily. And speak confidently. Your English will improve naturally with time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, Then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful English speaking videos. Keep practicing and never give up. See you in the next video.